We bought a house that we knew needed renovating. I said to my husband, if we buy this house, you need to be prepared that I will want to change everything. I was worried about investing and spending so much money on something that I would not like at the end. When we started our project, we thought it might be a couple of bathrooms. We started looking towards companies like Rosemount that specialised in kitchens and bathrooms rather than builders that would do a whole-blown renovation. But we decided that we really liked the approach that Rosemount took. So ours ended up as a whole-blown renovation. We had a kitchen and a laundry that were joined together that were not really usable space. And we were trying to figure out what the floor plan could potentially look like. And going into the Oakleigh showroom and seeing that little pantry kind of like really clicked for us. We moved out, moved back into a fully renovated, completed house. And we just love being at home. All of the Rosemount team were like really helpful in working in with the other trades, more than happy to call them. Like I didn't have to play the middleman. They're like, just give me their number, we'll coordinate it with them because we know when we're gonna be here. Missed some of them, to be honest. With the design team, like, yeah, that was a bit weird when they're like, okay, we're not gonna see you again. I love being at home because it's just so nice.